Saturday is tomorrow. My goodness. Hi, welcome back to Baradeli Wisdom Kitchen. My name is Rosie. Today on Cooking with Friends, I'm joined by my niece and my nephew. I am in Kenya. We're making something very traditional and they're both going to make something for us. Rosie, what are you making?
Hey guys, I'm Rosie. I'm going to make kale and spinach and I'll also make salad.
Great. What about you, Jojo?
I'm gonna make ubuni or daga, as you well know it. Yeah.
Or anchovies in English. Okay, let's see what the process is like. Follow us. Thank you.
This is how I prepare my ubuni. I'll use hot water to clean them as well as pre-cooking them.
Okay.
Yeah. We also have the salt at the next stage and the cooking oil.
Okay.
It will help us making them very crunchy and
Oh, so we're making them crunchy, right?
Yeah.
We're not making them with a stew or anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crunchy.
So how much water do you need?
As much as you can use. So I'll pour the hot water. It's very hot.
That's very hot.
Yeah, maybe kill
Can see the steam coming out.
Yeah,
Okay.
kill the germs and also pre-cook it.
Okay, so you have to cover them completely, right?
Yeah, they should be immersed in the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how long do they stay in there?
Yeah,
Be
like
careful.
for 5 minutes.
Oh, so we're almost pre-cooking them for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, and then after that we rinse them,
Yeah, we'll rinse them. Then we'll be putting them on the pan.
putting them in the pan now.
Yeah, on the pan.
Okay, so that's what we do. We use a spoon.
Because the water is very hot.
Yeah.
You can do this for like 2 to 3 times. We are taking them out of the hot water. Then we'll be returning them back
No, into
in fresh
cooling-
water.
fresh water.
Fresh water.
Why is it you don't want to use a sieve?
Yeah, sometimes you might find particles of sand. So using the sieve
Will not help
yeah,
much.
Yeah.
All right, so after washing them, what's the next step, Georgie?
Yeah, we'll first of all heat the pan. Then when it's heated, we'll pour on a little vegetable oil to help us dry the daga.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you say a little, what do you mean by a little? And I see that you already turned it on.
Yeah,
So it's on medium, right?
Yeah, it's on medium.
Okay. Does it have to be that kind of pan or any kind of pan works?
Yeah, as long as it's a good pan, it can do the job.
Okay.
So what we're doing here, the end result, they should be crunchy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's almost like you're just frying in oil, right?
Yeah.
How long are we going to fry this for?
Yeah, until you attain the crunchiness.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So are they going to look different?
Yeah. They'll
Okay.
come.
They'll turn what color?
Some are brown.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the heat is on medium, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So a little salt.
Now that's when the salt comes in.
Yeah.
Okay. Salt to taste.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just keep turning them until they're cooked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until they get crunchy.
So why does it have to be medium heat? Why not like just full?
Medium heat cooks them evenly. Yeah. No rush. No hurry. Just taking the time.
No hurry in Africa, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Georgie, they smell so good already. I want to have a little bit of taste, a bite.
Okay, after about 6 to 7 minutes, we have this final product. The cooked ones, which are crunchy, and the uncooked ones. You can see the
Or
difference.
pre-cooked.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, the pre-cooked ones.
So that's the difference in color.
Yeah,
This one's the cooked ones are darker.
yeah,
They are dark brownish,
yeah.
and these ones are light brown.
How's the aroma?
So good. So good.
Yeehaw!
Yeah. Woo. How do you feel, Mr. Chef? Right? The product looks really good. Great.